Streamline your e-commerce finances and unlock powerful insights by seamlessly connecting your WooCommerce store to QuickBooks. This tutorial will guide you through the straightforward process of integrating these two essential business tools. So let's dive right in. First, ensure you have your WooCommerce store set up and running on WordPress if you haven't already. Install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. Now, we need to find a reliable bridge between WooCommerce and QuickBooks. The most common and effective method is using a dedicated QuickBooks integration plugin for WooCommerce. Navigate to Plugins, then add New in your WordPress dashboard. Search for QuickBooks integration and you'll find several options. Look for plugins with good reviews and recent updates, often developed by reputable companies specializing in accounting integrations. Once you've chosen a plugin, click Install Now and then activate. This will add the necessary features to your WooCommerce setup to communicate with QuickBooks. With the plugin activated, you'll typically find a new menu item or a section within your WooCommerce settings dedicated to QuickBooks. Click on this to begin the configuration. This is where you'll establish the secure connection. You'll likely need to enter your QuickBooks account credentials or API keys, depending on the plugin and whether you're connecting to QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. For QuickBooks Online, you'll usually be redirected to an Intuit authorization page where you'll log into your QuickBooks account and grant permission for the plugin to access your financial data. If you're using QuickBooks Desktop, the process might involve pointing the plugin to your QuickBooks company file or setting up a connection through the QuickBooks Desktop application itself. After establishing the connection, you'll often have options to configure what data you want to synchronize. This typically includes orders, customers, products, and payments. Carefully review and map your WooCommerce order statuses to the appropriate transaction types in QuickBooks, like sales receipts or invoices. You can usually also map your WooCommerce product list to your QuickBooks item list for accurate inventory tracking. Once everything is configured and mapped, you can initiate your first synchronization. Many plugins offer a Sync Now button for an immediate data transfer, while others will sync automatically on a set schedule. And that's it. After the sync, your WooCommerce sales, customer data, and product information will be accurately reflected in your QuickBooks account, ready for financial reporting and analysis. This integration dramatically reduces manual data entry, minimizes errors, and gives you a clear, up-to-date overview of your e-commerce business's financial health.